Define nutrition.
The process by which living organisms take in food and utilize it to carry out different life processes is called nutrition.
Define heterotrophic nutrition.
The mode of nutrition in which organisms depend on other organisms for food is called heterotrophic nutrition.
Example.
Fungi.
Define electric fuse.
A safety device installed in a circuit to protect electrical appliances from damage due to excess current.
Define solenoid.
A cylindrical coil of air that shows magnetic properties when electric current is passed through it.
Define dispersion of light.
The splitting of white light from the sun through prism into 7 colors is called dispersion of light.
What is speed?
What's that?
What is speed?
The distance covered by the object in a unit interval of time is called speed.
What is the formula of speed?
Distance covered upon time taken.
SI unit of speed.
Meter per second.
What is uniform motion?
The type of motion in which equal distance covered by an equal interval of time.
What is indicators?
An indicator is a substance that helps us to identify whether given solution is acidic, basic or neutral with the help of change in color.
Sources of citric acid.
Lemons and oranges.
Sources of formic acid.
And sting and metal sting.
Sources of lactic acid.
Lactic acid. Curd.
Or
Milk.
yeah. Sources of tartaric acid.
Turmeric.
Ozone depletion leads to
Skin cancer.
which of these are renewable source of energy? Coal, petrol, biomass and natural gas.
Natural gas.
A scale to express the magnitude of earthquakes.
Richter scale.
A substance that conducts electric current in its solution.
Repeat question.
A substance that conducts electric current in its solution.
Electrolyte.
The number of oscillations made by a vibrating body in 1 second.
Frequency.
A device used to measure atmospheric pressure.
Repeat once.
A device used to measure atmospheric pressure.
Barometer.
A sexual reproduction is not seen in
Yeast.
What is the spelling of yeast?
YEAST.
Which of the following can be drawn into wires? Sodium, potassium, copper and mercury.
Copper.
Which of the following organisms help in keeping the forest clean? Herbivorous, carnivorous, decomposers and none of these.
Decomposers.
Rainwater seeps through the soil by the process of
Dripping.
the reflex action in our body are controlled by
Spinal cord.
the process by which complex food molecules are broken down into simpler molecules is called
Repeat question.
the process by which complex food molecules are broken down into simpler molecules is called
Digestion.
digestion. Yeah. Define pH scale.
The pH scale helps us to recognize the strength of acid, base and salt.
Right answer. Define translucent.
Objects that allow light pass through it partially.
That's all.